นี่เปิดมาก็พีคเลยขึ้นไปอะไรขนาดนั้นจาก4180ที่คิดว่าเอ้ยเดี๋ยวมันจะลงแล้วนะเด้งขึ้นมาแบบไม่ลืมหูลืมตาเลยตอนนี้ขึ้นมาจะ20แล้วประมาณ4,000 จุดนะฮะบวกมาพูดง่ายว่าบวกมาจากโลเนี่ยประมาณ2%จากวันนี้ที่แบบว่าลบๆอยู่กลายเป็นตอนนี้กำลังจะเป็นบวกแล้วนะครับพูดง่ายก็คือถึงปลายไส้นั่นเองก็เดี๋ยวเรามาดูกันว่าวันนี้จะเป็นยังไงต่อไปนะฮะเดี๋ยวเราตามชมนะฮะ Hey, how's it going, everybody? If you're here first time, click like, subscribe, and let's go to our trading today. I was biased towards selling earlier on in the day, and I was thinking that, yeah, we probably should be selling sometime soon, but not now. Not right now. Right now, I'm actually thinking that we might head it higher. After it broke out from the 4200 and cannot break below that. That means there's a lot more demands here, which means it is likely that we're gonna see a much higher bounce from here. So it dropped from like what 4260 down to 4180. Okay, so 4260 down to 4180, so that's about 10,000 points. Now that 10,000 point bound like drop here might be just a pullback because um it is about only 0.2%. Sorry. Yeah, it's about 2.5% only. So it could likely happen that we gonna see a bounce here after it pull back. So here, this is what I mean. Let's go to here. So this is the overall view on the charts, and if we drew out the fib retracement from high to low, from high to low here, we can see the fib extension is actually dropped down to like 0.382, which is a little deep, however it still is higher low, so we can still keep going. สวัสดีหลายๆคนที่เพิ่งเข้ามาด้วยนะฮะถ้าเกิดว่าใครเข้ามาฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์ด้วยนะIf it break above 4220, I am definitely gonna think that we're gonna head it higher here, because the next stop would be around 4240. Yeah, it definitely gonna head higher here. It's definitely gonna head higher here. Definitely, just because of this huge beginning of the hour right now. on the 9 o'clock, the beginning of the hour, has been spiked up very high right now. With this spike, it is unlikely that we're going to see a downward turn anytime soon. So we're just going to let this ride out, and we're not going to make any decision right now because it doesn't seem like we are going to make a clear decision here unless, of course, it making a drop soon. So I'm thinking that right now, because of this spike, and especially that it passed 42.20, if it can pass 42.25 up to like 42.30, we're pretty much done here. Like, there is no hope that we are gonna see another low. So it might as well that we are gonna see the spike going higher. Seems to be like the 42.80. 42.80 here is the low of the day, and now the high of the day is like 42.36. Hey Kazuki, so the high here is about 42.36 and the low is about 41.80. So I'm thinking that with the spike that is going on right now, I think we are going to be biased toward going long today. I mean, we can't argue. This is already like 2,000 point move at the beginning of 9 o'clock. And to be honest, I didn't think this would happen. To be honest, I didn't think that the spike on this 9 o'clock would happen. I actually thought that, oh, we see a drop here. There will be, a few spike. However, that now that it's slowed down for the past 2 hours, this will turn around in the 9 o'clock one. So I actually was aiming to shorting it at around like 4,200. However, it just skyrocketed, and now I have to change my plan. My plan right now would be that it is likely to head it higher. So we're gonna wait for the pullback, maybe down to like 42.10, and then we will be buying it up. So if you here already, please click like, subscribe, click share. I'll be right with you. Be right back. Okay,มาครับทุกคน so right now, oof, actually aiming to short right now, aiming to shorting it, but from what I can see right here, there's no way we will be able to short this. We might be able to short it at around like 42.25 maybe, if the spike keep going higher and higher right here. However, I don't think that we should be shorting it. It's really going up against the trend here, especially the trend that's so strong. 1, 2, 3, 4 hour of non-stop bullish move. So I don't think we should place a sell order here at 42.25. However, if you want to play it, be careful. It's very like after it broke through this right here at like 42.14, 42.15, I basically have no hope that it's gonna come back. So right now I need to change the plan and said that if the price gonna keep continuing higher at 42.25, I think that we should wait for the pullback around this time, and we're just gonna keep, it's just gonna keep on going now, just gonna keep on going up now. Jesus. I highly doubt that we are gonna see a drop here. But then again, yes, very. I feel like it's really extended here. Like it cannot just keep going up and up and up. However, it's it's very unlikely that it's gonna come down with the, like, I still don't see any sign that it want to come down right here.นะฮะก็อยากจะบอกว่าตอนนี้เนี่ยผมมองไม่เห็นเลยว่าราคามันจะลงได้ยังไงนะฮะเพราะว่าเนื่องจากว่าตอนนี้นี่ราคามันตึงมากนะฮะราคามันแบบขึ้นไปเนี่ยประมาณครึ่งชั่วโมงไม่หยุดเลยนะครับแล้วก็ตอนนี้ดูเหมือนว่าจะอ่อนแรงเล็กน้อยนะฮะแต่ว่าก็ยังขึ้นต่อเนาะยังขึ้นต่อเนาะเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยถ้าเกิดว่ามันยังขึ้นต่อแบบนี้เนี่ย ผมมองว่าถ้าเมื่อไหร่ที่มันพ้น25ขึ้นไปแล้วมันพ้น30ขึ้นไปยังไงนี่คือ break out ขึ้นตลอดแล้วนะครับเพราะว่าถ้าเกิดเราดูในไทม์เฟรม1 ชั่วโมงเนี่ยคือมันชัดเจนมากนะว่ามันอยากขึ้นนะฮะการที่มันจะแบบอยู่ดีๆทิ้งลงมาเลย2,000 จุดถอดปลายไส้เป็นการหวังแบบลมๆแรงๆนะทุกคนผมมองว่าเป็นไปได้ยากมากนะครับแต่ว่า ก็น่าจะมีคนรอเล่นเซลล์อยู่ประมาณที่4225เนี่ยเยอะพอสมควรเลยนะฮะก็เดี๋ยวเรามาดูกัน ผมมองว่าถ้าเกิดว่าจะเล่นนะฮะลองเล่นลองดูที่4225เนี่ยน่าจะพอเล่นได้อยู่นะครับผมถ้าจะเล่นเซลล์นะแต่ผมมองว่าโอ้โหราคาขึ้นขนาดนี้แล้วเซลล์ยากมากแล้วเซลล์รีเวอร์ซัลเนี่ยยากมาก ยากตรงที่ว่าเวลาผมบอกยากเนี่ยนะ มันเป็นอารมณ์นี้ว่า ถ้าเกิดว่า ถ้าเกิดว่าเราเล่นเซลล์ตรงนี้ มันจะยากมากตรงที่เราจะหาจุด SL so I really think that it is extended. However, I'm not suggest to sell right now, just because even though I think that it is way too extended and it should stop here at 42.25. However, if you want to play a reversal down, it is very, like, you're timing the market, and when you time the market, it's you're required to be very careful because it could just sweep and take you out very easily. You don't know when it's actually going to turn around, especially when the market is this strong. The only reason why people like it is because of it has a quick and instant feedback, whether it's gonna come down or not. And when it extended, you can actually just keep on selling and eventually it will come down. So that's why a lot of people like to play this reversal catch the falling knife strategy. However, I don't suggest it just because a lot of people get hurt by thinking that, oh, it will reversal and doesn't have a stop loss, and that's basically the first, usually the trap that people are getting in. So right now it's really extended. I mean, if it breaks 42.20, I am tempted to actually place a sell order right here. I doubt it will coming down though. I doubt that it will come down though, right here. 52.25. This is it. That's the 42.25. If this cannot pass, it is likely that we can see it going lower. Give me one moment. Okay. What? Ooh. Second. There we go. That's better. Okay. นะครับโอ้โหตอนนี้นี่คือสาเหตุทำไมผมบอกว่าไม่น่าเล่นเซลล์นะตรงนี้นะ เพราะว่าถ้าเกิดมันยังขึ้นขนาดนี้นี่ก็ไม่น่าจะไม่น่าจะลงต่อนะทุกคน ผมมองว่าลงต่อยากมากนะครับ ว้าว I'm waiting to go long right now. I'm waiting to go long right now. Right now, it's just gonna keep going up and up right here. I'm just hoping that we can see a little bit of pullback before the big rise. Another big rise. So I was hoping for this. And then we'll be placing a buy order right here. If you want to sell it, I suggest that you have a really tight stop loss. And I don't recommend it. Actually thinking that this could go higher, to be honest. I think it could go higher, but I'm really tempted to say that this is the end. However, I know it's just my bias that I think it already came up like 2,000 points, so it should come down. Plus, there's a lot of selling supply zone right here. So I mean, it should come down. However, with this spike, that it kind of punching through 22.20, and now it's about to go up to 22.25. If it past 22.25, it's basically just gonna keep going up. So I don't know if I'll be able to play today. Man, it just keep going up right now. Whew. Come on, let's go. I mean, I doubt that it will go past 22.25, but as of the moment, anything can happen. Like anything can happen right now. 22.25, let's go. If it's not breaking, then it could come down, but I doubt that we're gonna see it lower than 22.25 right now. And if it break above, then it will be going up to 22.30 for sure. And that's gonna be our supply zone. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna come down from here. Okay, that's a drop. We're still not selling though. We are waiting to play long because of how high this spike has been in the beginning of the hour. It is unwise to actually playing against that trend. I mean, the spike is undeniable that we are likely headed toward higher right here. Yep, like I said. Oh, here's a spike over 25, and we'll continue. I mean, this is a spike right here. This is a spike that I've been waiting for. So if the spike continue, then we are going to be headed higher, and we're gonna see the next limit will be at like 32.30, somewhere around there. Yep, hit at 42.30. Like I said, that's the what do you call it? That's the resistance. So let's see if the price can go up from here. Like I said, the if it broke 42.25, it will go up to 42.30. And right now, I'm kind of wait for the drop right now, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna happen here. We'll wait for the 42.30. Like I said, we are gonna wait for it to drop down so we can actually buying it. But if it cannot come down, we're not gonna have any order because right now it's pretty much on the breakout. I mean, if somebody got the buying price at the 41.80, I mean that beautiful 5,000 point in a day. Jesus, right? But we don't know the future, and right now, that it did not come down right here. I actually didn't think that the 42.30 gonna be resistant. I don't think, but let's wait. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Yep, 4230 is the okay. 4230 is the resistance. Now we're gonna see a spike coming down. So that's good. That's good. Now we're gonna have some resting period here at around 4230. Let's see if it can break down below 4225, because if it cannot break down below 4225, then it is likely to head it higher. What's going on? Okay, there we go. Yep, right now, if the 4225 right here, 4225, if it cannot hold, then it will be breaking down right now. So once it broke down, I mean, it's like about 1500 points. So I actually am thinking of like short selling, but it really going against my policy to not shorting when it is on this, this bullish move. But it's so extended right now that it is likely to come down. So if we're gonna do this, we really have to have very low risk, maybe like 300 points, so that the risk reward is actually worth it, because to time the market, we only have about like 1 in 3 in 4 chances. So unless we actually get 1 to 3, 1 to 4, it's not really going to be worth it. So boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so we're not going to be doing that, not now. And plus, I think that we're going to be seeing it high as well. I know the spike is already crazy enough, but to be honest, I could potentially see it going up to that 4260 even. So let's see what's going on. Let's see what happens. Yep, the 4225, it cannot break right here. Doesn't seem like it can break right here. Yeah, see? 4225 cannot break, so it just headed higher. Now if it headed higher and it break 4230, then we are not going to see it coming down at all. So we are going to see it going up and up and up. Let's see here, 4230, come on. Let's see at 4230. If it can be there right now, 4230, that would be great. You are in any order yet, Kazuki? Have you played today? I'm actually trying right now, trying my hardest not to take any order before 10 o'clock. right now, I'm forcing myself, because like I actually take a look back at the statistic, and the only hour that has been profitable for me is during the between 10 to 11, and before the daylight saving is actually between 9 to 10. So I'm actually trying my hardest right now not to trade any time before that at all. So so that's why I came in at around like 9 to get myself prep up, look at the chart, making analysis, look at how it behaves. But to be honest, I am still really forcing myself not to take on any trade during like 9 to 10. And like statistic on between 9 to 10, it is like 50-50, but 10 to 11 is like golden hour, and then a little bit like after 11 it's still 50-50 as well. So I'm not going to take any trade between here until 10 o'clock, and then I am going to take a trade between like after 10 o'clock, after I actually know which direction it would take. So right now, obviously the direction is going up. I mean, there's no denying it. And if I want to place a buy order, I'm definitely have to wait until the retest back to the turtle line, retest, and wait for the pullback, which I don't know when that's gonna happen. So and don't expect that it to be playing a short right here. I mean, trying to catch a falling knife is a very dangerous game. I'm really tempted to actually place a sell right here. Like really tempted. But I know that it's very unlikely that it is gonna come down. Like very unlikely. I mean, if it does, then we gonna see the pullback that we've been all been waiting for. However, I've been hurt by this so many times that I'm biased where I thought it's already high enough. You know that word hurt me. Oh, I don't know how many times. I mean, it's high enough, right? It should come down. It's high enough, right? It should be coming down from here already. No, it's not. To be honest, it's not. And I don't want anybody to get hurt by saying that, oh, it has to come down. It's already too high. Nothing is too high. Not when the market maker or the investor actually are pumping it, and there's no such thing as too high. So don't. I know you can make a decision to short it. Don't do it just because you think that you would have sell right here, or that nobody would be buying at this price, because obviously if the price is going up, obviously there are people who are buying for sure. So it doesn't seem like 30 can be broken yet. Doesn't seem like 30 can be broken yet. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. 30 is cannot be broken. That's the drop. Now, with the drop here, you could now with the drop here, you could place a sell order if you wanted to. I don't recommend it because the stop loss is gonna be up to like that 1,000 points up, and if you wanted to, it is it's not a high risk high reward. It is a low reward with a high risk. So even though you know that it could have come down, I don't suggest you doing it. Look at that. Oof. Let me just take a look here. Nothing has been saturated yet, so I think we could see higher. I know it came down already, but just from the looks of the spike right here, I think we could see higher. I think we could see a heck of a lot higher. Like no question right now. It's easier to go by. It's easier to go long. I mean, even with the drop, it eventually going back up. And the last place would be at around like here, like 42.12, 42.10. So you still have quite a bit of room for it to reversal at any time because the buyer is coming in already. It's very unlikely that we're gonna see a drop and then like going all the way straight down. That's very unlikely. However, eh, if somebody asks me, could it happen? Yeah, it could happen. I wouldn't place my money on it, but um, if if you want to bet, yeah, I would say that it could happen. All right, here's 42.20. If it dropped to like 42.15 and kind of doesn't doesn't have strength to go down anymore, then I am likely to actually be buying there. Buying at around like 42, perhaps like maybe like 42.14, somewhere around there. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to come down right now. It is likely to just keep on coming down to right around here, retest, and then poise back up. So that's what I think is gonna be my play here. Down to that 42.14, and then I'll be buying it up. Right now, oh, and spike down is really, ooh, 42.20 right now. Let's wait for it to come down. No need to rush to get in. I can already see some resistance at around 42.20, but it is unlikely that we're gonna stop right here. So we're gonna see it come down all the way to 42. Oh wow, that's a huge drop. I think we're gonna see it coming down to around like 42.15. So we're gonna wait until then. Yeah, already dropping to like 42.16. I'm waiting for 14, maybe down even to 13. But let's see how it goes. Like if it dropped down that hard, it might even come down to like 42.10. So we're waiting for it to come all the way down before making a reversal. Here we go. touch 42.15, just touching it though. Not enough for us to say that we are going to make a decision to go long. Not yet. The 1 hour chart doesn't look too good as well. Let's see here, 42.15. It barely reaches it, and then like it just spike up right now. Could be a reversal here up to that 42.20. Yep, it's gonna spike up right now, and I'm not gonna be able to actually give the order in time. Okay. Let's wait for it. I think I'm gonna wait for it for the order to come around at 42, 42.14, 42.13, somewhere around there. Cause like I don't think it will stop just yet. So wait for it for 42.13 to 15 and look for reversal there. Man, it's gone down to 42.15 though. It's have gone down to 42.15 and it's bounced right up right away. I I missed that. I missed that chance. 42.15. That was very, very quick. That was very quick. I was waiting for, some kind of confirmation before I actually took it. I know that's gonna be a bounce at like 42.15, but I didn't think it'd be that quick, like 1 minute quick. It's too fast. It's too fast nowadays. Like moving 500 point, 1,000 point, it's way too quick right now. Now it's gonna go up. I'll wait for it to come back retest around like 42.15. One more time. Oh my God. It just touched 42.15 and went all the way up. Now it's gonna be 1,000 points within like 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 1,000 points. You gotta be kidding me. Yep. Yep, it is. It is. Yep. 3 minutes, 1,000 points. Oh, did you buy it, Kazuki? I didn't get it. I didn't get it in time. It's way too quick. It's way too quick. The only way to get it is to have like a pending order or something. And I don't try to give out pending order just because it could weak us out. But I didn't think that, my God, just touch and then it just look like 4 minutes. 4 minutes, 1,000 points. Oh God. Should we really do you know 500 like instead of 500 point of stop loss, maybe like 1,000 point of stop loss maybe. Oh my God, I can't believe this. We are still headed higher. I mean, it falls within this playing. It just like the scenario is perfectly aligned. I mean, it dropped, reversal back up, and then it dropped again right here. And I was thinking, yep, I'm gonna buy it right here. However, it got up so fast that I didn't have time to actually took it. Ah. Would you, here's my question, Katsuki. Would you enjoy if I were just to not say anything and then just trading to show everybody? Because I'm telling you right now, to say something, say the plan, and then like look at the how the graph moved and then be able to, because I'm trading scalping 1 minute chart, the decision need to be making in the second, and to be honest, it's kind of take a toll on me right now that I didn't get a lot of order in time, like before over here 42.15. If I tell everybody in live, it's just gonna be, yeah, I'm nobody gonna get it. It's way too quick, way too quick. uh yeah. Yeah, this is me complaining right now. It's just, I just can't believe how quick that is. It's like 1 minute, boom. I could have got it here, but then the stop loss is not gonna be 500 points. It's gonna be like 1,000 points, and that's not gonna play out well. Okay, right here, I'm gonna wait for this 42.20. If 42.20 cannot be breaking in about 15 seconds, I am going to take my order right here. I'm gonna be buying right here. Yeah, I know. Stop loss is gonna be 500. The same thing. This is almost like a follow trend trading plan. So I am going to be buying right here. Actually, didn't get that. 1 second. Gonna be buying right here at 42.22. I don't know if I'm gonna get that 42.22. There we go. I'm getting it. 42.22. Nope, I didn't get it. Yes, yes. Okay, I got 42.23. I got 42.23 right now. I'm in the order. I got 42.23. Stop loss 500 points. I think we are headed higher, so because of this spike. Oh, come on, don't do it. Don't tell me I'm gonna hit my SL in like 1 minute. Come on. I'm in the order right now at 42.23. Don't we speaking is better. Yeah, I know. Um if I hit this one, if it's not going up above 42.20, don't follow me. If you haven't got in yet, don't follow me if it doesn't go back up above 42.20 in this minute, in this 1 minute. In about 10 seconds, if another 10 seconds, it doesn't go up above 42.20, it's pretty much done here. That was very quick though. Okay, here we go. 42.20. That's good. That's good. Let's go. I think we could hit it higher right here. Got in at 42. Oh, nice. 42.19. You're playing dangerously. All right. Gonna go for long. Just gonna tell it to the group right here. 42.23. Stop loss 42.18. Target gonna be 42.28. 42.23. Okay, here we go. Buying gold right now. Okay, my order's live. Let's see if I can get this one. Okay, if it broke down below 42.20, that's bad. If it broke down below, right now it's staying below 42.20, this is really bad. This is really bad. Hit my stop loss. Okay. Jesus, really? Ah, okay. Now I'm really gonna wait. Now that it hit my stop loss, I'm gonna really have to wait. Back then, I was like, I'm thinking that it could go higher. So I entered right here at like 42.22. Thought that it cannot come down below 42.20 now. And then when it break down here, coming down below 42.20, I have to cut it first, and then I'll get it again. I'll get it again. Just need to know when I will be getting in, because right now in the hourly chart, it seems like it actually dropped, being me topping tail right here. So if it dropped me this topping tail right here, likely that we are gonna see a reversal in the next candle. So if we see a reversal in the next candle, might be a red one. We might be seeing a red candle in the next trade. So be aware of that. And if you're still holding the position and it cannot break above 42.20 or stand above 42.20 in the next 2 minutes, get out. Just Close your close your order first, because I don't think that we are gonna see it higher if it cannot simply break above in this next hour or so. So don't hold on to hope. Don't hold on to too much hope right now. Looks like we are gonna be headed lower. One more minute, and then if one more minute and it stay like this and it cannot come up above 25 or even stay lower and headed lower, I'm gonna be short selling right now. I don't think it's gonna go up anymore, because after I hit my stop losses, I am thinking that there's not much strength to go up. Here's the thing. Here's my logic. If at that time, and I have like about a few minutes there at the time, at around like 2051, if the price actually go up above 42.20, it means that it could go up all the way to like 42.28, and then once that happened, the next hour gonna be a new bullish move, because this is a whole green candle close, and the next candle is gonna be likely to go head higher. So I'm gonna be just trailing stop after that. But right now that it leave me this topping tail, I think I will place a short order in this next hour here. So let's wait to see if it can go up to above 42.22 in the first 15 minutes or not. If not, then I think we are safe to play a short order right now. So already lost 500 points. And okay, so it's the first start with a breakdown. I want it to go up again in this next hour. I'm not gonna make a decision first. I'm gonna see where it goes. And if it cannot even break above 42.20, I'm gonna be selling it. I'm gonna be shorting it right here at 42.20. Let's see, let's wait. Let's wait for it to go up to 42.20, and I'm gonna be shorting it. Here we go. Yeah, it's breaking. It's starting to break 42.15. So let's wait for it to go up to 42.20 again, and then if it cannot break above 42.20, we're gonna be shorting it down. Here comes the bull. Once it reaches 42.20, we're not gonna be shorting right away. We're gonna wait a couple more minutes to see the reaction at around 42.20. Okay. So my hypothesis is that it should go up, cannot break, come down. Here's a long, should go up right now. This long should really make it go up right now. But I think it will only go up to like 42.20. That's it. That's just about it. So here's what I'm thinking, that if the price cannot go above 42.20, I'm gonna be shorting it down. And right now it doesn't look like it has strength to even go up that far. Look, after the signal long, 1, 2, no, if no more than 3 minutes, I bet no more than 3 minutes, I'm gonna be shorting it soon. Okay, here we go. Yeah, you can't even break 42.19, 42.18. So if it go up to 42.18, I think I will be shorting it from there. Maybe I'm gonna get 42.17 here. Okay, getting ready to place a short order, and I will be shorting it at around here. 42.17, 42.18, somewhere around here. My God, I didn't get it. Fine, I'm getting it at 42.15. I'm getting in at 42.15. I'm getting in at 42.15, okay? Already in the order. I thought it's not going to reach that 42.20, but I didn't think it could drop that hard. So I already shorted it at 42.15. I already shorting it at 42.15. My God, it's really fast. What's up with today? Why is it so fast? Give me one moment. I don't know why it's very fast right now. Like everything is so fast. And right now I'm gonna have my stop loss at 42.20. Target, well, target is gonna be at 42.05. Actually, if it come down this much, I might even go for like the long haul where I'm doing a trailing stop on this one. My God. 42.15, stop loss at 42.20, and first target at 42.15, sorry, 05, and then the second target will be trailing. There we go. Just because like it already went down like 42.10 by the time. So, all right, right here. Boom. Here we go. Actually, did you get in on a short position here, Kazuki? Like that was very, very quick. Very, very quick here. Oh, I'm already in short position at 42.15 here. And I think that at 42.05 should take your first profits if possible. And then maybe maybe risking it to get more. I couldn't. I know it's very fast, right? It's very fast. I did get it. I did tell you to yeah, too fast, very fast. Um like I told you beforehand that you could get it at around like 42.17, 42.18, and if it cannot go above 42.20, then you have to be shorting it. However, if it came down, like I see a doji here. This is what I want you to see here. I see a doji. It already touched 42.19. It came down from this first minute here very fast. I have to get it. Like that's no question it. I have to get it on this one. So um because like it's about to be breaking down, and especially breaking down below this low right here at 42.14. So that's why I said to short it, but it's very fast, and the YouTube is kind of delay a little bit as well. So let's see if it can drop down some more. Right now you could get in right here at 42.12. You could get in right here at 42.12. Could possibly be coming down another 1,000 points right here. Right now, you could get in right now at 42. Second. Yeah, 42.12 right here. You could get in right now at 42.12. Did you get it? 42.10 is a little late, but not too bad. Did you get in? Anybody got in already? Type 1 for me if you got in already. You know, next time I'm gonna try to find a way to doing live trading, like where I actually click the button and you guys can actually see P&L. However, if I were to be live trading, I might be using demo, so I don't have my money at risk and having too much expression or bias, my own bias toward it, and just be market analysis. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, here we go. Here's the drop. Let's see. Did you actually get in, Kazuki? Boom. That's the first target right here. 42.05. Done. Okay, come on. At least make me a $200 move. 42.05, $200 done. No, still too fast, right? Okay, now I'm trailing stop right now. I'm trailing stop right now. I put the stop loss at break even. Like I wish I could get the price at like 22.30, 42.30. I was wanting to go up back higher. No, it's not. It's not going to. It's not going to. Right. Here's the key to become a professional, like a pro trader, is to be able to adapt to the market. Like I know sometimes you have a position in and you cannot be biased. That's why it's very important to have like a stop loss and a target in place before you entering the order, because if you don't have those two, then you and if you think that you can adapt to the market, sometimes, especially when you're starting out within like the first year or two, you will be very biased towards your first position, saying that it should, just come back a little bit, make your loss a little less, and then I will get out. It's not gonna be happen like that. Trust me. I've been doing that for years, and it's not well. Okay, here we go. Dude, today move is like it's very quick here. I got whipped out so many times when I play a 5 minute chart, and even with 1 minute chart, it still required me to be very fast, very adaptable, and it's not an easy day today. Trust me, it's not an easy day. Like today is not an easy day to trade, that's for sure. All right, let's see if it can drop down below this 4205 right here. Okay, come on, come on, come on. I really want to see it drop below 4200 right now. Because if it can't drop below 4200, then it is likely that we are gonna see it break all the way down, maybe 42, 4190, 4180. Even if it break all the way all down, like all the lows, and we can see 10,000 point move today, if it's possible. But then again, don't really know what's gonna happen. That's why I put a stop loss at break even. But let's see how it goes right here. Okay, there you go. You're gonna break 4205 now. It is about to break 4205. If it broke, boom, right here. If it broke 4205, there we go. Boom, right there, broke. Broke, coming down, all the way down now. All the way down now. Breaking 4200. That's what I'm aiming for. Stop loss should be at 4210 right now. Stop loss should be at 4210 right now. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're gonna break 4210. Here we go. Let's see if I can get 2,000 points here today. Nope, it's not breaking 4,200. It's not breaking 4,200. Let's go, let's go. So we have 500 points of stop loss earlier, and now we have 1,000 point locked in profits already. Now we are waiting to see if we can get some more here once it broke down below 4,200. So let's go. And anybody, if you want to get that boom right here, broke below 4,200. Broke below 4,200 now. Trailing stop right now, going down to 4205. Trailing stop now, going up, going down to 4205. So no matter what, you should be locking 1,000 profit in this next one here. Let's see if how far I can drop below this 4,200, because this is huge. This is a huge zone that has been consolidating before the big move to 42.30. So right here, if it can break down, it could break down below to 41.95. And that will hit our 2,000 point mark. Let's see if we can get it a little bit more than 2,000 points. Maybe we could get like 5,000 points here if it continued to drop right now. Here we go. It needs to stay below 4,200 now though. Here we go. Looks like it's gonna stay below 4,200. Let's go. Let's go. Stay below 4,200 right now. Drop to 41.95. That will be our target at 2,000 points. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down right now. I'm gonna move my stop loss now. I'm gonna move my stop loss now to 42.05 right there. Trailing stop 42.05 right now. Drop, hitting 2,000 points right here. 2,000 point, still breaking down below. Gonna hit 2,500 points right here. Come on down, come on down. I'm gonna be trailing stop right now. Gonna show you my trailing stop here. Already lock in your profits at 42.05. Trailing stop right now, gonna be at 42.05. Oh, that's a spike up at 41.95. Okay, if it's spike up that much, I'm gonna wait for the close of this candle, and if it cannot come down below 49.95 in the next candle, if the next candle is green, I will close my position. I'm gonna wait for it to close the candle here. Possibly can come down some more at 41.95. If it can come down some more, I'm gonna let it ride. Here we go. Gonna break that 41.90 now. It's about to break 41.90. Okay, it looks like it can leave a two topping tail. Looks like it can be green right now. So I am going to close my position at 41.95. I'm hitting that 2,000 point move. Okay, come on down, come on down. I am gonna close at 41.95 here. Secure my 2,000 point gain. Okay, maybe not. Is it gonna come down? No, it's not. 41.95, 41.95. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it wants to go down more. Maybe. I'll wait for the close of this candle then. Wait for the close of this candle. Yep, it can. Oh. It broke now. It could come down a little bit more. It could come down a little bit more right here. 41.94. Yeah, it's not. Okay, leave 3 topping tail. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much done. I am done with this trade. Is it? Can it come down a little bit more? No? No, it's not gonna be able to come down anymore. So I think we are hitting, yeah, it's gonna be reversal down. Gonna be reversal soon. So 41.95, and I will be locking my profits here. Or not, or not. Come on. One. If it closed like this, it could it break? Could it break? Ooh, it could break. If it break, it's gonna go down some more. It broke. It broke. It's gonna go down some more. Cause like it cannot stay above 41.95. It's gonna go down some more here. Oh. Yes, no, yes, no. Yes. Here we go. Gonna go down some more. Now that it broke below 41.95, stay down. Gonna go down some more. So I'm gonna let it ride. Stop loss right now. I'm gonna move it down to 4,200 right now. Gonna move my stop loss now to 4,200. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, baby. Gonna break down below 41.90 right now. Let's go. Now I'm securing 2,500 points. Let's go, let's go. This is how you ride the trend, man. This is how you ride the trend. Shoo shoo. The train has begun. Let's go, let's go. It's gonna break right here. 41.90, boom, right there, 2,500 points. Here we go. Let's go at 2,500 points, boom, right there. Keep going, keep going. Keep going down, keep going down. I'm not securing my profit yet. I want to see how far it goes. I want to see how far it can go right here. It's 41.90 right now. We could be seeing the bear move for the whole hour here. This is the huge 1 hourly shot that we're gonna see it go all the way down to 41.80 possibly. Here we go. If it breaks 41.80, we're gonna see a huge drop here. That's 2,500 points. Let's go. Maybe we're gonna get 3,000 points. Who knows? I'm just gonna keep trailing my stop right now. 41.90, 41.90. Here we go. Here we go. That's 2,500 points. Okay, that's it. That's the rejection. Wait for the close of the candle. If the close of the candle is staying above 41.90, I am going to try to close this one. Okay, we're gonna go get the 41.95, so basically 2,000 points. I'll wait for one more candle. 3, 2, 1. Change the candle. Here we go. Yep, that's the buy signal. So I'm closing this one for 2,000 point profits. Boom, right there. 2,000 point profits. Here we go. Yeah, not a bad day today. Not a bad day today. Securing about $500 for the day. But yeah, that's how you play it. That's how you play it. There we go. If you want to trail some more, you could as well. If you want to play like selling some more, you could as well. But that's pretty much how I play it. So I'm basically trailing my stop all the way down. Right now it's going to be at around 41.95, and now that it's kind of uh, cannot stay below 41.95. I'm pretty much done here, and especially with this buying signal coming in, I think that we're gonna see a reversal, a possibly potential reversal, which I don't know if it's gonna have a potential high reversal or not, but I'm taking the profit because it already is 1 to 4 on my, on my profits here. So actually done with the trade today. 2 trades, one SL within 5 minutes, the other one we are holding it for, let's see how long, from 2205 to 2209, let's say 2230. So we are holding it for 20 minutes or so. So that's a good day work. Anybody profiting from our trade session here today? So we're hitting 2,000 points in profits. Boom. And anybody profiting with me here today? Type 1 if you are profiting here with me today. I think I trade profit right here. Oh man, I'm taking it too early. Look, it's just keep on coming down right now. So I'll be staying for the next hour or so, but I'm pretty much done for the day. Right there, 2,000 point profits. Boom. That's how I do it. 2,000 point profit very easily. So if you like, please click like, subscribe, click on follow, click on the bell so that you don't miss. I will be here between 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Thailand time, live trade every single day from Monday to Thursday. I will take a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. So if you want to come trade with me during the day, not like today, not like on my live trading, because in my community there's a lot more trader, a lot more pro trader, and if you want to join here, there are quite a few pro traders that has been making a bunch of money today. Check it out. Check it. Boom, profits. Okay, there's some SL, but then hitting another profits here. So SL is inevitable, but in the end, most are profiting. Look, profits, loss, that's fine. So it always have some profit and some loss. I mean, I have one profit, one loss today, but my loss is like 500 points. My win is like 2,000 points. So if you want to join my community, just click link in the bio, and then I will be sure to follow up with you, or just DM me, and I will hope to see you all in our community, because I'm planning to build, to create 100 pro traders within this year. So we have what, 28 days left. So I hope to see you all with me here today so that we can profit together. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Today's session is pretty much done. I'm pretty much gonna go off. If you want to stay, you could. I will be playing some music, maybe having this live trade session being rerun on the recording, and then yeah, you can watch it on the rerun. Sounds good? Right. On TikTok สวัสดีครับโค้ชสวัสดีครับเพิ่งไปอันนี้เลยเพิ่งได้มา 2,000 จุดเนาะเลย โอ้โหทิ้งดิ่งลงมาสวยมากนะใช้เวลาประมาณ20 นาที แต่รู้สึกจะขายหมู ดูมันทิ้งลงมาพันจุดเนี่ยหลังจากที่ผมขายไปเนี่ยทิ้งลงมาพันจุดเนี่ยเออเลยแบบอืม โอเคประมาณนี้แล้วกันเดี๋ยวก็จะเรคคอร์ดตัวนี้ลงในกลุ่มนะครับและเดี๋ยวไว้เจอกันใหม่ทุกคนขอบคุณสำหรับการเข้ามาในครั้งนี้นะฮะแล้วก็ฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์และเดี๋ยวไว้เจอกันใหม่วันนี้ขอลาไปก่อนบ๊ายบายครับสวัสดีครับบ๊ายบายครับผมนะฮะเดี๋ยวก็ใครอยากดูในอ่าแอปแดงนะฮะก็เดี๋ยวสามารถที่จะเข้ามาดูได้นะครับ ผมก็จะอะไรอ่ะผมก็จะเล่นตัวนี้รีรันไปเรื่อยๆนะครับผมบ๊ายบายครับสวัสดีครับบ๊ายบายครับสวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะบีบี so thinking Looks like we are done here. I think this is it. 41.80. That's maximum. Could have gotten another like 1,000 or maybe like 1,500 points, but you know, try not to be greedy. Try not to be. Okay, so I'm done for the day. Thank you guys for watching. I will be finishing the day today, and if you like, click on the just follow up at Pro Trader. I will be putting out more content so you guys can learn from my mistakes. And yeah, you know what? Why not? I'm just gonna go continue on to go live here. My trade here is done, pretty much here. My trade is done. I am going to put on the notes here. On my live trade stats. Boom. Okay, so today December 2nd. Let's see here, December 2nd. First trade 21.52. Stop loss within 21.46.56. 21.52. Buy. Minus 5 points. And right here, 5 minutes. That's a loss. So my win rate is still 50-50 right now. I want to get it higher than that, but you know, with the way I naturally play right now, it is likely that we are going to see that 22.05 finish at 22.05, 22.20. 22.05. Minutes. That's a win of like 2,000 points. Boom. Already up 4% for the month. That's good. That's a good number. Already up like 4% for the month. Okay. So any question, because like a lot of people been watching right now. I just want to know if you have any question here of how I play, how I do, what is my logic. you know, all that, so that maybe I could help answer some of your question in the next, well, 10-15 minutes or so here before I actually go off, because it doesn't seem like we had anything else to play right now. Right now, I am not going to be selling. I'm not going to be buying. I'm not going to do anything because I already had this play right here between selling in this hour. It's pretty much done. Pretty much done. I think it could go lower right now. 41.90 could go lower. It could go lower. I'm not going to play it, but it could go lower right now. Yeah, right now, there might be some people thinking of buying. If you're going to buy, make sure that you have a stop loss, a tight stop loss. And if you cannot put a tight stop loss in, maybe no more than 1,000 points, that would be my suggestion, because if it going to reverse in your direction, it would have been the moment you place your trade. That should have been the mindset for the mean reversal kind of traders. If you want to be a mean reversal kind of traders, you need to have this mindset of it will go in the direction that I'm thinking of right away. If not, then actually this goes not only for the mean reversal, but in any category. When you actually place on the trade, you need to have your order. You need to have the order being going your direction right away, and the stop loss will be just some room in case that it doesn't go your way right away. And the keyword here is right away, because if you have too much stop loss or you're waiting too long, then it become hope. Then you are likely to have that mentality of, oh, I want to recoup that, because now you're married to the position, and you don't want to be married to the position. You want to be able to adapt to the market, whichever way it goes. That's where you will, if you go along with it, you will make money. So don't fight the trend, don't fight the directions, and if you have trouble of adapting to the market, I have my here. This is my custom indicator that I am leasing it out. If you have trouble, don't know which trend is gonna be, I have this indicator that kind of painted the color. So the blue color would be where you are tempted to go long, going by. I mean, this right here, this position right here would be a really good example that if you go long here, you'll be making money. If you go long here, you might hit a stop loss. However, if the color starting to change, then you need to know when to stop. Let's say you buy it right here, like 4209, 4207, somewhere around here, and then it changes the color to yellow, from blue to yellow. At 4203, 4202 here, you need to stop right away. Don't be biased and say like, oh, it might go higher. I mean, it might go higher, sure, but what are the odds of that? And especially if it come down all the way down, and right here at the 4189, 4190, and you still thinking that, oh, it could go higher because it should, for some reason, or maybe there's like support or something. You can't exactly tell me that when the trend has changed the color from yellow to red now. So if the color change from yellow to red, then you really need to be aware that the price has changed the trend. And if you are learning about how to look at the first sign of change in character, then this is the what I call the shock. It's CHOCH, change of character. The first sign would be at the drop below 42.02 because this is already creating a huge support right here. But if it can break through the support, don't expect it to actually going back up. So if it break through support, don't expect it to go all the way back up because it did not the support did not hold. The demand is not there. So if it does go back up, the likely scenario is going to be that it's going to be pushes downward some more, and that's how trend works. Trend works in a way to if the trend is still hold, the trend will continue until it broke. This is the change of character is what I call a break of trends. So once the break of trends happen, the change of character signs here, then it is very likely that you have to quit your buying position or else you will be losing money because there's no evidence that is likely to head it upward anymore. You'd have no reason to hold the position. And that's my 2 cents on how to trade and try to protect your money, because the first thing about trading is not to earn money, but it's to protect your capital. That's the most important thing. If you can protect your capital, then everything else is gravy. It's simple. You just gonna be gaining money from not losing money. I mean, this game is a zero sum game. So if you trying to make money by risking too much, you will be making money, sure, but with the risk, when the risk comes, you will be likely to lose it all. So just a 2 cents on it. And if you want to know more, just follow me at Pro Trader. If you don't know more about like if you want to talk to me, just DM me and I'll be sure to give you any advice from my 12 years of experience. So I will see you guys next time tomorrow at 8 p.m. I mean, sorry, 9 p.m. So have a good one. See you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Going dead.